Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech troubles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into a super common issue: fixing your Cash App card that's not unlocking, especially with the latest updates in 2025. If you're staring at your screen wondering why your card is stuck, you're in the right place. This quick guide will have you back up and running in no time, so let's jump right in. First things first, start by checking if your Cash App is fully updated. In 2025, apps get frequent security patches, and an outdated version could be the culprit. Open your App Store, search for Cash App, and hit that update button if it's available. Once that's done, restart the app and try unlocking your card again. It's a simple step, but it works wonders for resolving glitches. Next, double-check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi can prevent the app from communicating with servers properly. Make sure you're on a strong network, switch to mobile data if needed, and test it out. If everything looks good there, verify your account details. Sometimes, a mismatch in your login info or security settings can lock things up. Go to your profile settings and ensure your email, phone number, and any two-factor authentication are correct and up to date. If that doesn't do the trick, try restarting your device. It's an oldie but a goodie. Power off your phone or tablet, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This can clear temporary bugs. Still no luck? Head over to the Cash App help section in the app and look for any specific error messages. They often provide tailored troubleshooting tips. For more persistent issues, it's time to contact Cash App support. In 2025, they've got enhanced chatbots and 24/7 help, so reach out via the app or their website. Provide details like when the problem started and what you've tried already. This speeds things up. Remember, if there's a security hold or fraud alert, you'll need to verify your identity, so have your ID ready. Wrapping this up, by following these steps, you should have your Cash App card unlocked and ready to use. Tech issues can be frustrating, but you're now equipped to handle them like a pro. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.